Hi, this is the unboxing video for the Nuwave Duralon Blue 5-piece cookware set. This is the black coffee one. Here's what's inside the box. You've got the manual book, 2 different sized lids. One is for the pot, another one is for the pan. The premium metal lids come with flavor channels, providing efficient moisture control and maximum flavor. After that, there's the 7-quart stock pot, the 5-quart everyday pan, and the 12-inch fry pan. The new and improved G11 Duralon Blue ceramic nonstick coating helps you cook healthier, better, and with improved nonstick performance like never before. The Nuwave Duralon Blue 5-piece cookware set comes in 4 different colors, so you can choose the one that fits your style. That's the unboxing video. Let's fire it up and see what it can do in the kitchen.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.